Today's question is, what must be subtracted from x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6 so that the result is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. Let us see the main part of the question. Here we are seeing that this one is the dividend. Okay, so we can take it as fx, and this one is the divisor, so we can take it as gx. Correct. So same thing has been done. Okay, here we have assumed fx as this one, the dividend part, x to the 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6, and gx, the divisor part, x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, now the question was, what must be subtracted? This one was the question. Correct. So according to division algorithm, we will solve this question. Okay, so let's see. We have imagined, we have assumed that the remainder, since this one is an quadratic equation, so the remainder will be a linear function. It is damn sure. Okay, if it is quadratic, then this will be a linear function. So we have taken this one as linear function ax plus b. Correct. Now, and we have assumed qx as the quotient. Correct. Now let's move ahead. As we know, the division algorithm, that where they assume that fx is was the dividend. The dividend is equal to the divisor into quotient plus remainder. Correct. So we can say that if it will be subtracted here, then we can say that the function will be totally divisible. Correct. As we have seen that question, that what we have to subtract, so we have to subtract actually this remainder part. Okay, so fx minus rx will be equal to gx into qx. Correct. This statement tell that the function will become totally divisible. If this part is subtracted, then the function becomes totally divisible. Okay, so let's move later on what happens. Let's see. Okay, first, what will be the function fx minus rx? It will be, we have taken x4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6 minus ax minus b. Correct. So we can say, if we go further, it will be written as x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus, this will be subtracted here, so it will come 4 minus a into x plus 6 minus 6 minus b. Correct. So we have to apply the remainder theorem, factor theorem here only. Okay, what are the factor theorem states we have already discussed. If you haven't seen the videos of earlier, I have shared the link on the comment box. You can go through it. You must go through it, otherwise it will be vain. It will be of no use. Okay, let's see next part. So now we have got px, that is after subtraction a function becomes px, that is equal to x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus, sorry, small mistake here, we will make it correct. It will be 2x square is correct. It will be minus plus 4 minus a we'll write it down plus, it will be written plus 4 minus a into x plus 6 minus b. Correct. Now we have to apply factor theorem to this function only. So how we will apply factor theorem? So now we will move to gx, that is the divisor, and find the factors of this one. X square plus 2x minus 3. So it can be written as x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. So if you will solve it, it will become x minus 1 it can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 3. Correct. Now we have got the factors x minus 1 and x plus 3. This means x is equal to x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 3. Correct. Now we have got the two values. correct? Now we will apply the factor theorem and find the value of a and b, correct? Let's move on. So first one was the x is equal to 1, so we will apply p1. So what it becomes, p1 will equal to x to the power 4. It was x to the power 4. This means 1 to the power 4 plus 2 into 1 to the power 3 minus 2 into 1 to the power square plus 4 minus a into 1 plus 6 minus b, correct? So its value will be, and this will be equal to 0 according to factor theorem. Correct. Now this much we have known. Let's solve it further. When you will solve it, it will come a plus b is equal to 11, and this is the equation 1. Since we have to find two values, so we need two equations. So putting the two values that are the factors, we can find two equations, and after solving those two equations we can find the values of a and b. So let's move on. Now next part is p minus 3. So it will become minus 3 to the power 4 plus 2 into minus 3 to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 3 to the power square. Wait, it's not taking, so we'll write it down. 2 into minus 3 to the power square plus 4 minus a into minus 3 plus 6 minus b. As you will solve it, it will come 81 minus 54 minus 18 minus 12 plus 3a. This will be equal to 0 as the factor theorem, plus 3a plus 6 minus b is equal to 0. As you will equate it, it will be, the equation will come 3a minus b is equal to minus 3. This is the equation 2. Okay, so these are the two equations we have got from the two values of or factors. So as you will solve it, this b and this b will cut off. This will come 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 2. The equation 1 was a plus b is equal to 11. So here we will put the value of a. So it will come 2 plus b is equal to 11. So b is equal to 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. As you have taken remainder in the form of ax plus b, so remainder will be 2x plus 9, and this is the answer. This is the answer. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can drop your query in the comment box, and if you like it, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.